I'm Paige, and today I'll be taking you through Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Word. For these tutorials, we'll be using the free version of Microsoft's 365 Copilot Chat, which can be found inside your application. Need to write a report or essay but don't know where to start? Let's make it simple. Open Microsoft Word and click the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat icon in the top right-hand corner of your screen. In the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, write something like, write a 2-paragraph report on the benefits of renewable energy in South Africa. This will be part of lecture notes for students, and hit send. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will create a draft for you. If you like it, copy and paste it into the document. Make the necessary edits, and you're good to go. Next, let's try creating an outline or a template. In your Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, type something like create an outline for a proposal on improving household carbon footprints in South Africa, and hit send. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will give you a structured plan. Again, if you like it, copy it and paste it into your document. Make the necessary changes and fill in any information that you need, and you're A for away. Now you've got a solid starting point. No more staring at a blank page. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Word.